The International Olympic Committee's executive board says it's considering a postponement of Tokyo 2020 because of COVID-19. The decision came out of Sunday's emergency meeting. The IOC has seen mounting pressure from athletes and the National Olympic Committees for the Games to be delayed. In light of an increase in cases and new outbreaks of COVID-19 in different countries on different continents, the IOC has now given itself a deadline of 4 weeks to make a decision. However, cancellation is not on the agenda, according to the IOC, but a scaled-down games could also be considered. The postponement could either be by several months or probably a whole year. And IOC President Thomas Bach says to postpone the Games was an extremely complex challenge, and a cancellation would destroy the Olympic dream of over 11,000 athletes. Meanwhile, World Athletics has reportedly called on the IOC to postpone the Games. Shoshana McGowan has that report.
In a letter leaked to renowned publication Inside the Games, World Athletics President Sebastian Coe asserted that Tokyo 2020 taking place as planned in July and August is neither feasible nor desirable amid growing international concern over the pandemic. Coe cited competition fairness, the impact of the COVID-19 outbreak on training, and the increased risk of athletes suffering injuries as the three main reasons why the organization believes the Olympics should be postponed. World Athletics, the first international federation to urge the IOC to move the event, says it remains available and that they're ready to help secure a new date for Tokyo 2020. Coe also argued that postponing Tokyo 2020 would put an end to the anguish and uncertainty being felt by athletes due to the pandemic and its impact on training and qualification for the Games. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.